what are the different types of 1099 tax income forms? Okay, guys, let's get right into it. So, this is the list right here behind me, as you can see, okay? And these are all of the main 1099 tax forms. So, the first one is the 1099-R, okay? That form, you get that form when you have a retirement account and you taking money out of the retirement account. So you taking a early withdrawal, say from your 401k, right, or some type of IRA that you have, and this form will will state whether you need to pay taxes on that money or not. Okay. The second form, guys, is the 1099-C form. The 1099-C form is a cancellation of debt. So if you basically owed credit card debt or you had a loan and the bank forgave it or they wrote it off, you're gonna get this form at the end of the tax year. Now, because this cancellation of debt is actually considered income by the IRS, you may be taxed on this cancellation. So just be aware of that. If you get this 1099-C, you may be taxed on the cancellation of the debt. The 1099-B is a form where it states basically your capital gains, okay? Capital gains or capital loss on any investment such as stocks, bonds, crypto, any tradable investment that you may have. The brokerage firm will send this form, the 1099-B, at the end of the year, okay, guys? So look out for that, usually in your online accounts, or it may get mailed to you as a copy. The 1099-S is basically a form you get from the retail brokerage company that sells your house. Okay, you get this form, guys, when your house is sold and you need to put it within your tax return. You need to file it in your tax return. Um, and basically, it states how much the house was sold for and uh, if you need to pay tax on it. Now, guys, when it comes to the housing, there is a $225,000 basically exemption if it's a family home, okay, and I believe it's 500,000 if you're married filing jointly. So there's gonna be an exemption for that if it's a family home, a rental, a family home, basically. So be on the lookout for the 1099-S if you sell your home. The 1099 INT is the banking form. So if you have a savings account, a high yield savings account, and or a CD, and you get interest on it, all right, the bank will send you this 1099 form at the end of the year. The 1099 SSA is the Social Security form. So if you're claiming Social Security and you're getting income from it every year, at the end of the year, tax year, the Social Security office will send you this form. That form you file along with your tax return. The 1099-A is the acquisition of home form. So basically, if your home goes into foreclosure, guys, and the bank seizes it, you're gonna get this form 1099-A. You will have to file this form with your tax return, and you will have to talk to your tax professional whether there's a tax on this or not. But when your home is seized or goes into foreclosure by the bank, they send you a 1099-A. Okay, 1099-I is basically any passive income that you make, such as rental, prize money, any miscellaneous income. You will get a 1099 MUSC, MISC. Okay, you'll get that if you have any passive income. The 1099K is usually a shareholder's form, as well as if you've been doing business and you've been collecting credit card payments, right? So, such as PayPal, such as some other third party companies that collect credit card payments, right? These uh, this form you will receive from them, okay? If you collect uh, credit card payments, and you need to record that income. So um, PayPal, Square, those guys who collect credit card payments, Stripe, they will send you this 1099K. Okay, the next is the 1099 NEC. This is if you're an independent contractor and you have a payee. The payee will send you uh, this form at the end of the tax year, which is called the 1099 NEC. This is usually what independent contractors, freelancers get from their contractor or their payee. They will send them this form. Okay, guys? So be on the lookout for that if you did any independent contract work. And the last form, guys, is the 1099G. This is for unemployment. So if you lost your job and you're claiming unemployment, you will get this form from the labor department of the state that you're in. Okay, the 1099G. All these forms, guys, is all income forms, and they are subject to tax. So you want to talk to your tax professional, whether you have to pay tax on these forms or not. But these are the main income forms, 1099 income forms. Anyway, guys, that's the video for today. There's a link in my bio if you are an independent contractor and need help with your taxes, advisory help. I'm giving a free month, 30 days free for the service. Click the link in the bio if you're an independent contractor and you want to get access to the 30 days free tax advisory. That's the video for today, guys. See you guys later.